Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Discord error 3002 microphone not working. To fix your microphone not working in Discord, start by opening Discord and going into User Settings, then select Voice and Video, and look under the Input Device section. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, whether it's a USB microphone, headset mic, or your system default device, and try switching between available options to see if one works. You should also check the input volume slider and use the Let's Check feature to test whether Discord is detecting your voice. If that doesn't solve the issue, close Discord and verify that the Microsoft itself is working in Windows by right-clicking the speaker icon, selecting Sounds, and opening the Recording tab, where you should see green bars moving when you speak. If there's no activity here, the microphone may be disabled or have a hardware issue. However, if the microphone works in Windows but not on Discord, another application may already be using it. So close programs such as OBS, Zoom, Teams, or voice changers, and then restart Discord. You can also try restarting your computer and checking Windows privacy settings to make sure desktop apps are allowed to access the microphone, which often resolves microphone detection problems in Discord. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.